Hi there, this is Pamela Caughey. I'm so excited to tell you about my next expressive abstract painting retreat in Vaggio, Tuscany, Italy, October 17th to the 24th, 2026. You'll stay in a historical Italian villa with comfortable rooms, surrounded by peaceful gardens, vineyards, olive groves, and a large swimming pool, also a private lake. There's a spacious, well-lit studio, which will be available to you 24/7, and lots of common areas too, so you can both nourish your creative spirit, but also relax, unwind, and get to know other passionate artists. This is your chance to meet artists from around the world and make lifelong connections. Each day, I'll share many ways to express yourself through demonstrations, dedicated studio time, group discussions, and lots of one-on-one time with you. We'll explore fun ways to make expressive marks and abstract paintings that feel personal and meaningful to you. You'll take lots of new work home from this retreat to remember your special time in beautiful Tuscany. The grand finale is when we all share our wonderful work in an on-site exhibition, sharing, discussing, and celebrating all the discoveries we've made together. This is your chance to establish a firm foundation in abstract art as you create a series of expressive abstract paintings. You'll also enjoy daily gourmet meals prepared by an on-site chef with delicious local wines for dinner. In addition to painting in the studio and soaking up the beautiful Tuscan sun, you'll explore San Gimignano, and we'll also visit a local family-owned oil mill just minutes from our venue. Click the link in the description to enroll. Spaces are limited and the retreat is filling up quickly. Hope to meet you there. Bye for now.